Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create the ring selfie image effect on Higgsfield AI. And Higgsfield AI is an AI platform that allows you to create mind-blowing visual effects and create high quality images all with the push of a button. And in this video I'm going to show you how to create the ring selfie effect. So all you have to do is to go to the website here, higgsfield.ai, and then log in or create an account. Then select the Higgsfield section, then click on the ring selfie area. You'll be brought to a page similar to what I have displayed on my screen. So on this screen we can see the kind of selfie you would be creating if you use this effect. So to create this kind of image, all you have to do is to click on generate and then describe the scene you want in the prompts area here, and then you'll be able to generate. You can generate many pictures at a time, as each generation would cost you about 2 credits, and you are given 5 credits per day. And but this is if you are using the high quality. If you want something that is fast, cheap and affordable, you can just go for the 1 credit per generation, which means you can actually generate 5 credits. So you can edit, you can input your prompt here and generate your image. You can also upload a character here, and that will be it. So you can build your own AI character if you want from this area, and then once you're done you can click on generate and to generate just that. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys there. Also, if we are trying to grow the channel, we'll appreciate if you subscribe. Thank you very much and do have a great day, guys.